Looking for the best spinning reel for your next fishing trip? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best spinning reels of 2026, covering everything from powerful saltwater reels to lightweight ultralight options. We'll look at the key features, performance, pros and cons, and who each product is best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KastKing ReKon Saltwater Spinning Fishing Reel. The KastKing ReKon Saltwater Spinning Fishing Reel, a powerful option designed for anglers who need serious drag performance for larger fish. One of its biggest highlights is the 55-pound maximum drag, which gives this reel plenty of stopping power when you're fighting strong fish. It features a 5+1+1 bearing system, Maxi-Dur bearings, a Nylitech body, and a carbon fiber drag system. The reel is also designed with water resistance in mind, making it a strong option for saltwater fishing. The ReKon is focused more on power and durability than being an ultralight reel. If you're targeting bigger saltwater species or fishing in demanding conditions, that high drag capacity can be a major advantage. The carbon fiber drag system should also provide smoother pressure during long fights. Pros: extremely high 55-pound maximum drag. Designed for saltwater fishing. Carbon fiber drag system. Water-resistant construction. Strong option for larger fish. If your priority is maximum power for big game and saltwater fishing, the KastKing ReKon is an excellent choice to consider. Number 2. PENN Clash 2 Spinning Reel. PENN is well known among anglers for making fishing equipment designed for demanding conditions, and the Clash 2 is built with that same focus. This reel is designed for species such as bass, pollock, cod, and wrasse, making it a versatile option for different types of sea fishing. The Clash 2 is particularly interesting for anglers who want a balance between strength, smooth operation, and practical saltwater performance. Whether you're fishing from the shoreline or a kayak, this reel can be a great match for lure-based fishing. Pros: designed for saltwater fishing. Good choice for shore and kayak anglers. Suitable for lure fishing. Strong and versatile design. From a well-known fishing brand. The PENN Clash 2 is a strong all-around option for anglers who want a dependable saltwater spinning reel for shore, kayak, and lure fishing. Number 3. Piscifun Carbon X2 Ultralight Spinning Reel. If you prefer lightweight fishing gear, this reel deserves your attention. The Carbon X2 weighs only around 5.5 ounces, making it an excellent choice for ultralight setups. It also features a 10+1 bearing system, an upgraded carbon frame and rotor, and up to 22 pounds of maximum drag. The biggest advantage here is the lightweight design. When you're spending several hours casting, a lighter reel can help reduce fatigue and make your setup much more comfortable. The 22-pound maximum drag is also impressive for such a lightweight reel, although this is still better suited to freshwater and lighter fishing applications than serious big-game saltwater fishing. Pros: extremely lightweight 5.5-ounce design. 10+1 bearing system. Up to 22-pound maximum drag. Carbon frame and rotor. Excellent option for ultralight fishing. If you want a lightweight, comfortable spinning reel for freshwater and ultralight fishing, the Piscifun Carbon X2 is one of the most interesting choices on this list. Number 4. Saltwater Spinning Reel 13+1 BB Carbon Drag. The main selling points are smooth operation, a high bearing count, and a carbon drag system designed for saltwater fishing. For anglers looking for a more affordable saltwater-oriented spinning reel, this type of setup can be appealing. The 13+1 bearing configuration is designed to provide smooth reel operation, while the carbon drag system is intended to help deliver consistent drag performance when fighting fish. However, when choosing a saltwater reel, don't focus only on the number of bearings. Sealing, corrosion resistance, drag quality, and overall construction are also extremely important. Pros: 13+1 bearing configuration. Carbon drag system. Designed for saltwater fishing. Smooth operation. Potentially good value for casual anglers. This reel can be worth considering if you're looking for a budget-friendly saltwater spinning reel with a smooth feel and carbon drag system. Number 5. Lew's Wally Marshall Pro Target Spinning Rod. But there's an important point here. This is a spinning rod, not a spinning reel. It's a 16-foot, 3-piece fishing rod featuring tournament-grade IM8 blanks, stainless steel guides, and a DRI tack grip. If you're building a complete fishing setup, a quality rod is obviously important, and this Lew's model is designed for anglers who want a longer fishing rod with a tournament-oriented construction. The 3-piece design can also make transportation more convenient. However, if you're specifically looking for a spinning reel, this product doesn't belong in a top 5 spinning reels list. It's better categorized as a spinning rod. Pros: tournament-grade IM8 blank construction, stainless steel guides, DRI tack grip, 3-piece design, long 16-foot configuration. The Lew's Wally Marshall Pro Target can be an interesting fishing rod, but if you're creating a video specifically about the best spinning reels, I recommend replacing this product with an actual spinning reel. So, which spinning reel should you choose? If you need maximum power for big fish and saltwater fishing, the KastKing ReKon stands out with its impressive 55-pound maximum drag. For a versatile saltwater option for shore, kayak, and lure fishing, the PENN Clash 2 is a strong choice. If lightweight performance is your priority, the Piscifun Carbon X2 is the clear option to look at, especially for ultralight and freshwater fishing. The 13+1 BB saltwater spinning reel is worth considering if you're looking for a more budget-oriented saltwater option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.